Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Jasmy update for the first time. I'm on the Qcoin chart right now, and Jasmy is looking very, very good to me. And if you're not in the Discord, join in the Discord. Today's last day to join the signals as well. And we bought Jasmy at 947, and we're looking to buy another half at the 7, and we're trying to sell it at the 13 cents at the moment. So 9 cents and then go to 13 cents. Now, to me, it's looking very discounted and very cheap right now. We potentially in the 4-hour time frame right now, nearly made like a double bottom like this one, and for this double bottom, actually, you could actually see a pump and continue to the upside because we're potentially trying to reverse the trend to go to the upside after coming all the way down to the downside. Now, I want to talk about a very bullish pattern that I just recognized, and that's the reason why I just had to make this video to update you. Now, before I actually remove this triangle, the yellow, I'm just going to remove that one. I'm going to draw this again back. You see, this pattern you see right now, this is called as 3 white soldiers. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to just go to Google. I'm going to write in three white soldiers. Oh my goodness. Okay. 3 white soldiers, and go to the images right here. Right. So here we are. This is 3 white soldiers. Do you see? Whenever you see the 3 white soldiers just like that, green candles back to back, it means that the prices are reversing and they're interested to go to the upside. Another one example is, you can see right here, you're gonna have the 3 white soldiers, and the next day you pump to the upside, come a little bit down, and then just continue from there. What about this one? Okay, you can see again 3 white soldier, and then you continue to the upside. So it's just basically chart reading, not a financial advice here. I'm just reading the charts, learning. This is educational video only, not to tell you to invest in anything. And from here, this is your 3 white soldier, and this is gonna close. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing. This candle closes in the next 18 hours from the time that I'm recording, so it should close nearly this price level of 90. Let's say it does close in the 90 region right here, then that's gonna result in 3 white soldiers, and you're gonna see the next coming few days we move to the upside. Potentially we could even go to 12 cents from here. Okay, now of course, we're gonna have to wait to see that one happening. We've already took our entry. We're now getting into profits as well, because our entry is at 947. It has already got to 289. So I know. Let's see that. I just want to see. Okay, fine. 947. We're a little bit down, not actually up, just a little bit down. And going back to the fact that I made that triangle, I'm gonna show you this triangle, and diving into the 4-hour time frame here. Here we are. The reason why I draw this line is because we have some resistance. This is a big resistance line right there. A touch right here, touch right here, touch right there, and one touch right there. Now there is a possibility that you're gonna get your decision by today or tomorrow potentially, and from here, do you know one more thing? We did made a morning star as well. Look at that. I'm actually gonna tell you about the resistance line. So if you break out of the resistance line, that would be positive. I see an easy 12 cents and even potentially go to 13 cents. Go a little bit back to the 10 maybe, and then back test it and continue to the upside. So that would be a nice little trade from here to here. 30%, 32% trade, or and more than that. And then from here, just go up, maybe come back test it, and then continue from here. Or what you can do actually is you break out, just back test, and then continue from here to go to the upside. So it's gonna take like 2 or 3 weeks for this one to play out. Let's see what it does. But for today and tomorrow, you might see this apex playing out, because you can see that you were rising just like this, and you also have this resistance. So there's an apex forming right there, which is gonna be until 2nd of January, tomorrow potentially. Now keep in mind, there is a possibility of being squeezed and pop to the downside, but I don't see that, because there are more bullish sentiments more than bearish sentiments at the moment. And before I close the video, what I'm gonna do right now is after the three white soldiers, I just want to search in here for um, the morning star candlestick, right? So morning star candlestick, and this is the morning star candlestick. You're gonna see that big red bearish candle, and then star in the middle, doji, and then a green candle to push the prices to the upside. So you have that green candle right there, you have that doji in the middle, you have that green candle right there. So that results in a morning star, and you can see what happens next is that the prices start to make an uptrend, and I do believe we are in for an uptrend for Jasmy, because it has really dropped. Like, man, how much did it drop already? Why should we be bearish on it once again? I'm actually starting to turn bullish on this one. So from there to nearly there, 82% discount, and right now it's still 72% discount. So give me any coin with 72% discount. I'm interested to buy. Okay, I'm gonna buy it. So it's very, very good on the charts. It's actually amazing, looking amazing. And no financial advices, but it's a very recommended trade because you trade the setup. I love to trade setup and logic. So logically, it's looking amazing for an entry, and it's still discounted for the next coming few days. So yeah, so that's it for today's Jasmy update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.